Hello YouTube world, this is Friday. We started this project Tuesday. We've got quite a few hours in this front-end project. Moving very, very slowly, but starting to pick up a little speed now. We've got the whole steering link done. Now it's time to start working on getting these ball joints out. This will be a piece of cake to replace. So for this Friday afternoon, about 2:30, got finished with lawn work. So we're going to see how much of the ball joint work here we can get knocked out. That's a piece of cake. Shocks are a piece of cake. All pitman arm, everything, all that's done. We've got this lined up best we can. I need to adjust that a little bit. So I'm going to put the camera on charge here to get kind of set up. We'll do one ball joint, probably this one in the dark here. Get that worked on, see if I can figure it out, and then do it in a video while I do it on the other side. So alright, as you can see, this little crack right here on the left, here it is. So I found out that by grinding the edges off, put it right up here, there we go. By grinding these edges off, you can see I've been working out, I've got to grind these, but it seems like that's breaking it loose. So I haven't even used the press yet. So if I grind these sides off, it looks like it'll just drop right through. So really impressed with that. We'll see how it goes. Back in a few, gotta charge the battery still. Alright, so we're going to take the grinder over here and grind off the top of this ball joint, and then hopefully be able to smack it out without much trouble. We might just be able to, that saved us a lot of time. Now I'm just going to clean up around those edges, and then we'll bring the puller up, we'll clean out that, and go from there. Alright, clean up that bottom edge and make sure that's going to be a good solid seal, and we'll get our other ball joint, go to it. So I'm going to clean that out real good so any dirt doesn't mess up the splines on the ball joint. Get the underside, get the other side clean here so that it'll be a good seal. And I'll show you what I had to do, just a different fitment here, what I had to do to get it in here, and we'll see how it works. Where's the new ball joint? Well, that's great. Put it down on all the dirt. That was brilliant. So all these splines seem to be good. So we'll get it lined up like this. Now our jack's going to be in the way. I see that already. Hold that thought. We need to move the jack in a little bit. Alright, give us enough room. Look at that one, I had to saw it off. Ugh, what a mess. Alright, so there we go. A little bit better. See how long this battery goes? Okay, so we use this. That'll get up right like so. So our next key will be something. So this is just wide enough to fit over the top right there. So we can set this right here and be able to run it up that way. And what we'll do is we'll set this on top so that, I know, yep, that side. Yeah, we're going the other way. Hold on a minute, thinking. Yeah, we're going to go like this, I think. Yeah, we're going to do it, don't worry. No, I did go from the bottom. I think I had to do it both ways. We'll find this out. Alright, so you need to run that spacer there. And then to start with, we'll start like this. Like so. Go ahead and get your there we go. And this way we can go ahead and start it. Yeah, not quite ready for that yet. So, gotta run this. I think I ran it like this just to get it started, and then I adjusted it to get that. And then that. Go ahead and just swing it to the side because it's going to want to go anyways. Make sure your base of the ball joints as low as possible, or I'm sorry, as even as possible. There we go. See, I got it on the wrong side. Just take your time. Rushing it's not going to do any good. And just watch it, make sure it goes up even. We're just doing it this way to get it started. Nice and square. And then that'll give us more room to use a different spacer here. Moving up pretty good. Okay. There it goes. So that bottomed out. So we'll switch our setup here. Kind of get some rain noise there, but don't worry, you won't melt. Alright. There we go, son. Now you can see it's flush. Flush on the top there. So this is where we'll move in with the smaller one here. And what I think I did last time on the other one was I actually ran it up from the bottom, and you got this hole right here which thankfully will fit over that ball joint. So we'll run this one here that fits the shoulder, and then that'll fit the base so that the ball joint's not harmed while this goes together. So there you go. Ball joint went under nice. Get that up on the ball joint. There we go. And now we can center this. Come on. Stack it up a little more. There we go. give us a little room to work with. So make sure this is centered over your ball joint there, as the shoulder comes up. Yeah. So that's in my eyes, but hopefully you'll be able to see it. The shoulders out. There we go. Now the jack's a little bit in the way. We'll see if we can make it work. Still too low. So let's see. So everything seems like it's centered. That's good. Got room for the ratchet here. Alright. Got mosquitoes in my ears. Alright, let's see what we can do. Looks good. Hopefully you can see that moving in there. Gonna get a little tighter to inches up. Hope it's inches. Can't tell. There. If anything looks weird, just back it off and check to make sure. Yeah, it's not smooth enough. There it goes. They might have had to align with that dish. So, this ended up being a lot easier than I thought. So, if you're scared of starting this project on your own, just set aside plenty of time, if you have it. And, watch videos. Chris Fixit really helped me on this one. So, he's got a better view, better lighting on how to make this work than I do, so. But, let's see. There. Here's my hand. So as you can see, that's all nice and seated right there. So we'll back off the ratchet here. Wow, we got a storm coming in. Good thing I got this done. Now I'm going to clean up the tool. Yes, I say clean up. Be polite, clean up the tool. You made a mess, clean it up. I'm going the wrong direction. Wow. This will be the earliest night I'm done so far. Let me put that there. You can see the water coming in. Ooh, the wrong way. Wow. That's good. Now let me pause it. Alrighty, so there you go. We'll put the lock washer around that. But it's nicely seated, so looks pretty good compared to the old one. And it's got a 90-degree grease zerk that'll go here. Hopefully, yeah, there shouldn't be an issue with the knuckle. We'll see. But yeah, so you can see the spline right there. So hopefully you didn't drive it up too far. I don't think so. Well, this is my favorite light. But yeah, not too shabby.